Hi, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 3 Natasha Denona products. These are the 3 products I'm going to be reviewing. This one is the Bloom Highlighting Blush. And this one is the Mini Retro Eyeshadow Palette. And then this third one, it's called Face Glow Cream Shimmer. So I came across these through my Instagram feed. That's how I come across many of the products. So here I'll show you the products up close. What attracted me to this very pretty Natasha Denona palette is the color story. It looks kind of nudish, I think. I'll give you guys a close-up look. These are gorgeous. It's kind of corally, peachy, nude at the same time. Just really pretty, I think. Very pretty color story. Yeah, I'll show you guys some swatches. Alright, let's move on to the Bloom Highlighting Blush. So this one here, I thought it was so pretty too because of the coral color. Very nice. And it does come with a mirror as well. Very pretty. I'm just hoping that the color that's in this pan is not as intense for the cheek, so we'll see. All right, so let's look at this one, the cream shimmer. Wow, comes in a long gold tube. Very cute. Kind of looks expensive looking. Very nice. So this one here comes in 3 shades. Comes in a light one, a medium, and a darker one. And I picked the medium one, and this one's actually called Medium Beige. So we'll just open it. It looks like that. Kind of yellowish and beige. So we're going to try it out. You guys can see it. It looks really pretty. Alright, I can't wait to try these products out. If you're curious about this look, I actually did a video on it. This is using the Pat McGrath Sublime Bronze Ambition Mini Palette. If you're curious about it, want to see the review on that palette and this look, click the card up above and it'll take you right to the video. Alright, so I'm ready to do the quick makeup look. I'll be right back. I'm going to clean my face and I'll be ready to start. Alright, so I'm back to do the makeup look. Okay, the colors I will be using. I'm going to be using this one on the lid. This one is a transition color. This one on the outer corner. This one as well in sort of a outer corner and transition. And this one in the inner corner. just need the blush and the highlighter. So let's try on the blush. Hopefully it's not going to be that striking. Actually looks pretty nice. Wow, it's really shiny. It's actually pretty stunning. I'm gonna try to see if I can diffuse it just a bit. All right, let's try the highlighter. So I'm just gonna take a little bit from here. Not sure if I'm seeing something. Try this side. Oh yeah, I can see it on this side. Wow. That's pretty nice. Yeah. All right, so I'm really liking how these products worked out. Yeah, the eyeshadow palette, the color story is beautiful. The formula worked out really, really well. It was very easy to blend. I did get a lot of color payoff, which is good. I like how the green worked out really well in the crease along with the shimmering green. It's giving me some dimension to the crease, which is really nice, I think. So I'm really liking this palette. It's a very beautiful palette. Now as far as the highlighting blush, at first when I swatched it, it was pretty striking. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit intimidated. So when I was putting it on, it was coming on kind of subtle, which I really liked. Otherwise I would have been thinking about how to tone it down a bit, but I think it came out really nice and subtle, and it gives you that nice shine, which I think is very nice. So I'm really liking this a lot. Now the highlighting stick, this one is really nice too. I think it gives you that boost, that nice shine right here. Yeah, I'm really liking this, and I think I did pick the perfect shade for me. Yeah, so I'm really liking how these products came out and how they worked out for me. Well, I hope you liked this makeup look, and let me know which one of these products did you like the best, or did you like all of them? Yeah, comment down below, let me know. All right, so this concludes the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Bye.